The world of sports seems to be embracing blockchain and crypto more than any other industry. The obvious motivation for this is the lucrative sponsorship money that sports teams can get from recently enriched blockchain companies looking to cement their growth. In the world of European football alone, Paris Saint-Germain has struck a sponsorship deal with Crypto.com, Chelsea a deal with Whalefin, and Manchester United, probably the world's biggest football team, is now sponsored by none other than Tezos. But the symbiotic relationship is also developing in the other direction, with football and other sports crossing over into Web3. One such crossover is Sorare, an application which aims to give fantasy football a digital makeover. So, what is Sorare and how does it work? Let's take a Neymar-sized dive into this increasingly popular NFT project. The origins of fantasy football go back to 1990 when Italian journalist Riccardo Albini published the rules for the game. Now, participants must assemble a squad of players that they think will perform well during the football season and hope that their team accumulates enough points to top the leaderboard. Now, Sorare is a fantasy sports game that follows in this tradition but using NFTs. Now, the game involves collecting and trading officially licensed collector cards which feature either pro soccer players or pro baseball players. Sorare cards come in 4 different variants. Limited, where 1,000 copies exist, rare, where 100 copies exist, super rare, where 10 copies exist, and unique, where only 1 copy exists. A unique Cristiano Ronaldo card famously sold for $290,000 in March of 2021. In addition to these 3 categories of cards, there are also common cards that are issued to users when they first sign up. They can only be used in the rookie tournament, which is available for new participants within their first 8 weeks. After 8 weeks, common cards lose their utility. Sorare tournaments give the opportunity for players to earn by winning cards, which can be retained or sold for profit. ETH is offered as prize money in each and every tournament. The Sorare tournament model involves 5 aside games contained within various leagues and divisions. And you must have a goalkeeper, a defender, a midfielder, and a forward, leaving 1 additional player, which can be any outfield player of your choice. You then choose one of those players as the team captain. Now, players are awarded points based on real-world performance relative to your game's scoring matrix. Your captain gains an additional 20% score, so make sure you choose your best player that will send your points total into the stratosphere. Sorare's tournaments are set around various real-world leagues, including Germany's Bundesliga and England's Premier League, Spain's La Liga and the MLS in the United States, and Italy's Serie A. As you become more experienced with Sorare, you may decide that you want to take your management to the next level. Sorare Data is a separate service which claims to provide players with the data they need to be successful Sorare managers. The service compiles and updates an index of the top 50 players, which is reviewed every 2 weeks. An ELO ranking, which is a method of calculating skill levels of players, is also provided when it comes to both managers and players. So if you think Sorare sounds like fun and you want to get started, why not buy your initial ETH deposit in Exodus using either your crypto, a bank transfer, or a credit and debit card. You can also use the Exodus Web3 wallet to connect to marketplaces and buy Sorare NFTs. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you would like to get in on the Web3 action, click this download link for the Exodus Web3 wallet. Till next time, hold on.